Darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence.
In restless dreams I walked alone. Narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes was stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence,
and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more.
People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share,
and no one dared disturb the sound of silence. The fool said, "How you do not know? Silence like a cancer grows." Hear my words that I am mighty to you. Take my arms that I might reach you.
my words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of silence,
and the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sun flashed out its warning, and the words that it was forming, and the signs and the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of silence. So silent here.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was amazing, by the way. By the way. Great weekend. Are we ready now?